Hi, my name is Ankush Rekha Arun Sharma and today's date is 1st April 2024 and today's topic is core Java and the subtopic is access modifier. So before we get into the access modifier, let's discuss the modifier. So what is the modifier? Modifier is a control mechanism which access the controls. We can take an example of gatekeeper who needs to enter or not. So it helps to access the keywords to the data member, methods or constructor or classes. So it is the controlling the accesses of these members, and it also provides the information about their functionality to the JVM. That this is the protected keywords, this is the protected access modifiers. So let's get into it. So there are two types of modifiers. First one is access modifiers and second one is non-access modifiers. So access modifier means it controls the access level, and non-access modifier means it cannot the access level, but it provides the functionality of their members. So let's talk about the access modifiers, which is the main topic of my today's date. So access modifier has four types: public access modifier, protected access modifier, private access modifier, and the default access modifier. There are also types of non-access modifier, including static, volatile, native, abstraction, and many more are there. So let's jump on the default access modifier. So what is the default access modifier? When the data member, method or a class or a constructor does not specified with any keyword, it means that is the default access modifier, and it assume it by default in the programming language. In a programming, it assume it as a default that it is a it does not having any keywords like protected or a private or a public. So it is the default access modifier. It consumed by default. So in default access modifier, we can use that data member, method and a class in a same package. We cannot access it from another package. So second one is private access modifier. So what is private access modifier? If you want to make your data member, method or a class private, then you need to specify it with a private keyword. So it will be the private access modifier. In this modifier, only that members or class or methods access which are in the same class where they are declared, only this class can access that. You cannot access that members from the other class or the other package. Even you cannot access it from the same package also. You cannot access it from the same package. If you wanna access it, you need to declare this in only one class. So this is the private access modifier. So third one is protected modifier. What is the protected modifier? Access modifier. So protected access modifier means when data member, same method, same constructor or a class specified with the or declared with the protected keyword, it means this is the protected access modifier. If you want to access these keywords in your program, then you can access it from your package, same package where you are coding, or if you want to access it from the another package, then you cannot access it from your main class. If your another package having subclass, means child class, then only you can access the protected access modifier. So this is the protected access modifier. So the rest one is public access modifier. So what is the public access modifier? Public access modifier means you can access it from anywhere in the program. If you are declaring, if you are specified the public keyword before your data member, class or method, it means this is the public access modifier. And if you wanna access it, you can access it from anywhere in the program. So this was my today's topic, the access modifiers. I hope I clarified this good or okay. So yeah, thank you.